So here's this tool set. It's from Parkside. Precision socket spanner set, 23 pieces. Ratcheting handle, 60mm bit adapter, 9 sockets, bits, and maximum torque 30 Nm. It has flat head, it has Phillips head, 6-pointed star, that is Torx, the tubular, the same thing in different languages. It has a nice box. You can open it and close it from here. So it looks like this. It has the ratcheting mechanism. It's tightening to the right. Okay, and with this one, now it's tightening to the left. Loosening. So it has this one with 6 sides, and that male with 4 sides only. Here's an extender. It has a magnet there also. The magnet is holding it. And this end is also 6-pointed. The 6 is good for these. Now it enters. Okay. To use these, you have to use the other side. That. Loosen. CRV, chrome and vanadium, 4mm. This has 4 sides. A large one also enters there. This has no extender, so that goes there, but this has 4 sides, that has 6 sides, so you cannot use it there. And here's a plastic. It has 4 sides, so it's not for this, but for that. You can see the ratcheting mechanism jumping.